Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we explore another fascinating word in the English language. Today's word is discussion. A discussion is simply talk about a topic. It's a noun, and at an A2 level, it means a conversation where people share ideas and opinions about something. We have discussions every day, maybe without even realizing it. Now, let's dive deeper into what a discussion truly means. A discussion involves exchanging thoughts and viewpoints. It can be formal, like a debate in school, or informal, like chatting with your friends about a movie. It's all about sharing and listening. Let's explore some words that are similar to discussion. These are called synonyms. One synonym for discussion is conversation. For example, we had a long conversation about our vacation plans. Another synonym is chat. Let's have a chat about your progress on the project. A further synonym is dialogue. The movie featured a powerful dialogue between the two main characters. We can also use the word talk. They had a serious talk about their future. And finally, exchange. There was a lively exchange of ideas during the meeting. Now, let's look at words that mean the opposite of discussion. These are called antonyms. One antonym for discussion is silence. For example, the room was filled with silence after the announcement. Another antonym is quiet. There was an eerie quiet during the exam. Also, we have the word agreement. They were in complete agreement and didn't need a discussion. Another antonym could be unison, meaning everyone says or does the same thing at the same time. The choir sang in perfect unison, so there was no room for individual discussion. Think about these contrasting words to better understand what discussion truly means. Now, let's see how we can use the word discussion in everyday life. Imagine you're at school. You might say to your friend, "Let's have a discussion about the book we read for homework." Or at home, you might hear your family say, "We need to have a discussion about the budget." If you are working in group on something, you might say that we had a constructive discussion about how to proceed with the project. You can use discussion in many different situations. Let's explore some examples of discussion in sentences and phrases. The committee held a discussion about the new policy. We need to open up a discussion on climate change. The discussion went on for hours. The discussion was very productive. After a long discussion, we reached a decision. The main point of discussion was the budget. He interrupted the discussion to share his views. I would like to start a discussion about our next steps. The discussion revolved around the latest sales figures. We had an open and honest discussion. Here are a few more examples. The teachers had a discussion about the students' progress. They are having a discussion about where to go on vacation. The discussion focused on finding a solution to the problem. The topic for discussion at the meeting is project management. The results of the discussion will be announced tomorrow. Let's postpone the discussion until next week. The discussion was heated, but ultimately productive. Can we have a discussion after the meeting? That topic is not open for discussion. They came to an agreement after a long discussion. So, to summarize, a discussion is a talk about a topic. It involves sharing ideas and opinions. We learned synonyms like conversation, chat, dialogue, talk, and exchange, and antonyms like silence, quiet, agreement, and unison. We also explored how discussion is used in everyday conversations. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful. Before you go, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and learn English too. Now, I have a small task for you. Create your own sentence using the word discussion and share it as a comment under this video. I can't wait to read them. Keep learning, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.